Hey guys, Unfrequented World, and today I want to do a follow-up review on the Tamron 15600 G2 that I'm shooting with my Sony cameras. I use the Sony Alpha A77 II and A99, and I have a new A7R3 with an LAEA3, bleh, what a mouthful, adapter, and I'll show you guys. I've got a lot of images that we can look at. This lens is fantastic. I can't say enough good things about it. I own 40 pieces of glass. I own the Tamron 300 2.8, the Sony 7400, and this new Tamron 15600. This is my new birding lens. This is it's very fast focus. It's the same quality as the Sony 7400, but you're getting 200 more millimeters, and that extra 200 millimeters is just as good a quality. So I think the focus is a little bit better on this lens. I've got a full review on my site, guys. 20 some minutes, took me hours to do that, so if you want the full lowdown on this lens, go ahead and watch that video. Otherwise, check out this. I'll show you some quick focusing here in AFC mode with the A7R3 on birds, and then I'll show you guys some images and we'll zoom into 100%. It's just going to be a quick follow-up, the I love this lens video. So here we go. So just a quick setup to show you guys, make sure that I'm not fooling you. The 15600 G2 version, Tamron, and the Sony A7R3 with the LAEA3 adapter. And I use this setup here, guys. It's just a cheapy gimbal, but man, does it make life easy and nice. I've been using that for a year and a half now. Have a review as well on the site about that one. Check it out if you're into, I think I paid about 80 bucks, 90 bucks for that gimbal, and it has been a fantastic purchase for doing things like the birds and things like that. I'm going to try to do this just by hand holding the phone up to the back of the camera, guys, to show you, which means I have no manual focus, which also means the camera's going to be moving in and out. But take note of that nice orange background we can get when the sun's coming up there. Ooh. They're so quick, these little guys. So you can see I have my camera set to back focus here. I have a AF MF button on the back, so even with one hand I can lock focus here. Switch to manual mode, recompose if I like to get rid of that. There's a bird feeder in front there. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. Stay focused, literally. Here, let's throw it on high, and you guys can... I mean, I have other videos, like I say, showing what this lens will do on this camera, so it's not what this video is about, but I'll just show you. You know, there's so much talk online about how the LAEA3 is no good with this lens, or any alpha lenses, but it's simply not true. It's more than good enough for most of us.